Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change email on your YouTube channel. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you need to change the mail on the YouTube channel or transfer the channel to another Google account, watch this video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So if you're lucky you won't have to create a brand account, let's check it out first. Go to the YouTube studio and select settings, then settings and permissions. Perhaps you will already have a permission management button here and you will be able to invite a participant and give him the role of owner, then wait 7 days and change to the main owner. If not, then proceed to another method. So click on the channel logo in the upper right corner and select settings. On this page you will have the inscription either create a new channel or add or manage your channels. Click here and create a new channel. We will need it to transfer the old one to the new mail. We enter any name and create it. Next we confirm everything and now you have a brand account to which we will forward your channel and change your email. We return to the main page and see that we have two channels for this mail. Go back to the settings of the old channel and select advanced settings. Next select move channel to a brand account. Your old channel and the new one are shown here. Click replace and confirm. I will not do this now since I do not need to change my mail. After confirmation your channel will be transferred to the brand account and you will need to add a new email for it. We go to the already new channel in the settings and on the main page you should see add or remove an administrator. If it does not appear, then go back to advanced settings, click move channel to a brand account again and now choose learn more. This is an article on account migration, you can read it. Here you need to select the first link once and then again. Just in case, I'll leave a link in the description so that you can find your brand account for sure. You will open a brand account to which you have already transferred the channel. Here you need to click manage permissions and add the email you need and select the owner role. After that, accept the invitation and wait 7 days. After this time you will return to this page and change the role to the main owner, delete the old one and you have completely transferred the account to the new mail. This is a very strange and complicated method because not everyone always has the right buttons and settings, but it really works. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.